Well, good morning, diamond painters, or whatever time of day you may be watching this. I always do this. Um, no do-overs. Um, I have a little unbagging from Aliexpress from the AZQSD official store. I ordered on 5/3, shipped on 5/6. I got on the 17th. This video will be uploaded much later because I have a lot of unboxings that were coming in. And I don't want to put them all up at once because I normally don't have a lot of unboxings. So I'm trying to spread them out. I paid $3.50 for it. And I had to use some coins to get that price. It's called the Butterfly Horse. It's a 30 by 40 full round. And it was $11.25 without the coins. And we'll see what the colors are. It's been pouring here like crazy in PA. Sorry, I had to get my scissors. It's been pouring here like crazy in PA. So I already had to put the AC on. It was 86 degrees and we had a thunderstorm. I was not going to roast in my house. But this is the package it came in. I'm still waiting for Evershine. My previous video, if you guys saw the Evershine video, they sent me out. And if you haven't seen it, go and see it. I rant a little bit in it, but I had to rant it. I just had to do it. They claim they shipped me out a replacement canvas. They claim. But it hasn't moved in over 4 days. So I messaged them. And I told them what's going on. Ooh, yay, it's around. Some colors here. Of course, I'll do inventory off camera, and then we'll I have to show you the colors and let you know everything was here or not. I got some stragglers here and there. I don't know if that's inside the bag or outside the bag. That again. Well, the Evershine one, I was very unhappy with them. First of all, diamonds were leaking out of their bags. The bags weren't even fully closed. Almost half the bags were open. But only one bag spewed all over the place, which was good, but still, I wasn't fully happy. But then I was rushing the video. Well, it's actually a unicorn. Sorry, not a horse. But see, seeing the symbols, they're square, but then you look, they are round in the middle, which is a plus. I got scared and thought I had the wrong thing going on again. So, some weird symbols here and there. 35 colors, it says. But it doesn't look like the symbols look bad, but we'll check the canvas out. But they said they're going to ship it out. So I messaged them telling them what's going on. It hasn't moved in 5 days. If you're not going to send me my replacement canvas, can you just please go and refund me my money? So they said, oh, give it 7 to 10 business days. All right. Well, I'll give it a couple more days because that's basically what I'm going to just give it. And if it doesn't move, then we're having issues. I just want my money back. I'm just going to dispute it. Because I already ordered round drills for the square canvas they sent me, which was wrong. From that store. Ella was talking about the Hankins store. Because I have it's a nice canvas. It's very pristine. Pristine. There we go. Sorry. I think I'm suffering from something because I can't talk lately. I'm really bad lately. But it was a nice pristine canvas. Sorry. I can't talk. And I don't want to throw it out. I don't know what else to do with the canvas. So I just ordered the square drills through Hankins store. I messaged them and they told me how many bags I was going to need. And just to let them know when I placed the order so they know the order goes with that canvas. Okay, that's a 9 placer. I'm sorry. I thought maybe I'm like, what's going on? And a 3 placer. I don't know if you guys can see that. 2 things of wax. Squishy pen. And I just ordered myself a very large tray. I have never had a bigger tray than these. You see, now I have tweezers, so that kind of scares me, but we'll see. So now I'm like scared since I have that issue. So, see, the picture is pretty. It's very beautiful. And I'm picky as it is, but this one just stood out for me, especially with the 350, with all the coins I had before they expired. Not bad on the 310s, to be honest. Plus it's a round, it's definitely going to be a lot easier for me. 775, I think that's a dark color too. No 939s, I'm surprised. We've got 823s, which is a dark color. So I got a hold of the Hankin store, and they're going to just send me the square drills for that. It was like $22. I told him to throw in some extra ones because I ordered 300 bags. He says I was only going to need 250, but they only charged me for 200. But I told him, send me some extra ones anyway. Him or she, I don't know if it's a guy or a girl, sorry. I just said, throw me in some extras. You never know. And for the price, $22 for 300 bags of drills. I don't think that was bad. So it's like I bought 2 of those diamond paintings if you think about it. But we'll see. Just cutting the tape off, I'm sorry. Alright, I'm going to put you guys on pause for a minute because I have a text message I need to reply to. I'm sorry. Hold on. Alright, sorry. It was a church member, and this is her, she's new to the area, so I was going to show her a store that's pretty awesome around here. She told me she can't make it today. She had to get some stuff done, so I was like, yes, that's fine. That's fine. I'm not going to complain. You know, we all got our personal lives. Okay, this is cut in 3 strips, which is going to be terrible for me. Oh, you guys all know how I am. I rip things, and oh my gosh. I'm Ange the Destroyer. No, let me stop. I had to change the headlight lamps in the car, and since I have small hands, I kind of volunteered myself to do that. And I ended up getting a bruise over here. I got a couple bruises on my arm and my other arm. It was just terrible. So that was my week last week, going through all this craziness and still steaming over that canvas issue with Evershine. No, I know there's some pros and cons to them, but I'm trying to give them a chance to redeem and just send me the right canvas and the drills that I was short on, because I was short on one color. I actually physically counted because I said this can't be as many colors as they claim in the bag in general. I can't go by that because I had a square canvas now. But it says 71 in the bag. I only had 60 something. Sounds petty, but to be honest, the color was totally different than the color I had from the Cammy Yee Goods store. Their color looked so faded compared to Cammy Yee Goods store. It was very faded looking. Cammy Yee Goods store was like a nice bright blue, beautiful color. And right now, I already finished the Fall Owl, so I'll be doing a post-review video on that just for the whole month of May. I'm just going to do one big video for all the diamond paintings I did in May. I'm sorry, my arm. See 100 million freckles? Yeah. So let me get it over here. Let me lift up the camera. See, isn't that pretty? And the canvas is in good shape. You have little squiggly weird lines here, but to me that's not going to do anything. That's just the glue in general. Oh, that is beautiful. I'm sorry about the glare. I'm trying to do without glare here. There you go. That's better. Isn't that beautiful? That's pretty. Let me lift this up so you can see the drill field better. This is the butterfly. Some of the, maybe, It's probably better with the light pad, but the weird U turn signal, I don't know, U-turn arrow thing there, that looked like it might be a little hard to see, but that won't be a big deal with the light pad, I think. Let me try another spot here. No, very nice, very good. So I'm happy. This kind of, makes me feel good when I have an unboxing so far, because I haven't checked the inventory yet. That seems to be doing good. So I'm gonna flatten this out. Basically, I had this open all the way, so it's not like. Oh, okay, I thought that was hair. I'm like, my hair again? I'm worse than a shedding dog. So I'm gonna close this up. I'm gonna do inventory. I know I'm kind of talking, but yeah, we'll see how it goes. And I'll come back on and let you know how the inventory went. All right, see you in a minute. All right, I want to apologize. I have you guys off the tripod, so you'll be a little shaky. I want to apologize for the first half of the video. I did not know it was in the wrong camera angle. So I just want to show you guys the details. It might be bigger and better in this landscape view instead of the portrait view. But all the inventory is here. Everything looks to be in order. My huge bags of 310s. So these are all the colors. Yeah, everything seems to be here. Let me move the tripod out the way real quick. So you could definitely tell I have more than 12 in this bag, which is awesome. 7075 I thought was going to be a dark color, but no, it's this nice, like light minty ice blue color, I would say. But if you want to get technical with blues, I have 791, 792, 793, 794, 796, 797. So here goes some of your DMC codes right here. 799. Then I jumped to 823. 827 is a pretty color. I like that one. So I thought it was better to take you guys off the tripod so you just guys get a very, very close view of what all the drills look like. And it looks like everything should be here. I shouldn't have any problems. Some of the bags were open, but it wasn't a catastrophe. It wasn't spilled all over the place. Just a few onesie twosie here outside the bag of like maybe 3 or 4 colors. The Evershine one had one color that was, I had like maybe 10 or 20 outside the bag. But yeah, so that's everything. Get close up of, this is the other half of the video. I want to say I'm sorry. I thought my camera was recording this better. So it's a 40 by 30, 35 colors, round. I took a day away from diamond painting because of all of the catastrophes I've been having. I've been having no luck with my diamond paintings. With 3 squares were bad in a row. I was short on 2 diamond paintings with colors. One I had a color, the other one I don't. I'm still waiting for it to come in. And then I was doing the fall owl, but the fall owl that I bought for replacement is not as colorful and detailed as the Huracan one, to be honest. Which I'm not upset. It's just I feel like I'm doing a diamond painting all over again. I felt defeated. And then when I got my Evershine order in, and I got the right drills but the wrong canvas, I definitely just wanted to give up and not do diamond painting anymore, to be honest. So when I got done with the fall owl, I took a day. I didn't think about diamond painting, and then, so that was Friday. I got done with it. I think it was on a Friday. Gave myself 24 hours, not a day. And then I decided, to start a square, because I haven't done squares in a good 4 or 5 diamond paintings, to be honest. And I'm not having any problems. I'm kind of enjoying it now. I'm still a little because I'm waiting to see if they're shipping out my right canvas or not. If they don't, I'm looking on this side. I'll have extra round drills. Just give me my money back, because I already ordered the squares for the square canvas. So we could probably do a side-by-side comparison on a big diamond painting with squares and rounds by the same company. They're both going to be by the same company. Of course, the square drills are not going to be from the same company, but the canvas is, the height, the width will be exactly the same. So we'll see how that goes. But thank you for watching. Sorry my video was a little screwed up. Yeah, to spend my week between diamond paintings not turning out right and stuff of that nature, and then headlight lamps need to get replaced, having problems on Saturday with talking. I couldn't put words together. I was a mess. And my video was a little, but you know what? This is life. No. It's not that bad. Enjoy your day. Have fun. Sorry for rambling. And that was about it. Thank you for watching. Have a good one.